a terrible misunderstanding. Show yourself and we'll sort it all out. Listen, it does not have to be like this. You do not have to hide. Hello, come in. Over. Can't hear you. Hello? The radio is garbled, yaar. I can't hear a damn thing. Strange.
About the crab rangoon, I know it's not to everyone's taste, but you'll be pleased to know I had the chef executed for his incompetence. Or was it his family we killed? Regardless, next time I can promise you a better spread. It's the last time I'm kidnapping a fucking TV celebrity chef.
It's an honor to meet you, son of Mohan. I'm amazed you made it all the way here on your own. Sabal is waiting for you near the tower.
job, son of Mohan.
Why are you guys helping me?
You're the son of Mohan Ghani. You may not know it, but that name carries a